What does charged off really mean? You might see the words charged off on your credit report or in a letter from a loan company. It kind of sounds like the debt went away, right? But nope, that's not what it means. Charged off actually means the lender gave up on getting paid and is taking a tax write-off. But the debt is still there, and usually it gets sold to a debt collector who will start chasing you for it. Now, it's super easy to confuse charged off with paid off, but trust me, they are not the same thing. The good news? At Walker & Walker, we can wipe out charged off debts in bankruptcy. They'll show a $0 balance discharged in bankruptcy on your credit report. Most of our clients see their credit score bounce back over 600 just a week after filing and 720 2 years later. Call us today at 612-824-4357 for a free consultation. We can even file your case for no money down and a payment plan of $89 every 2 weeks.